Document templates allow users to merge legal templates with client and matter data stored in Rocket Matter, saving you a ton of time. From Tools, create and manage your document templates. Utilize some of Rocket Matter's existing template material or create your own. Download the merge fields on the right-hand side of your screen. Note, these merge fields are specific to document templates and will not work for custom invoice templates. Copy and paste your desired merge fields into your document. If you're working with custom merge fields, be sure to toggle and update the field codes. Highlight the field and right-click to toggle your field code. Replace the words My Field with your custom field. Make sure there are no spaces between the end of your field name and the backslash. Highlight your custom field once more and right-click to update it. Now you've created a Matter custom field inside your document. Once you're finished creating your document, select Add a Template. Upload your file, name it, and publish your document template for future use. To add the template to a matter, navigate to your matter and select Add New and Merge Document. Select Preview, name and publish the document within your matter. Now this document is merged and saved within your Matter documents. From the Actions menu, you can edit your document or even bill for your document. For further help or step-by-step instructions on document templates, please refer to our FAQs or contact our award-winning support team at 888-432-1529.